Imagine you have a problem where you need to add key value pairs to an existing JSON string using command line arguments in a script. The challenge lies in correctly formatting the values within the JSON structure. Fortunately, there's a neat solution to this conundrum. To tackle this problem, the solution involves leveraging JQ, a lightweight and flexible command line JSON processor. In the first script provided, we use a bash script to initialize the JSON string and then utilize JQ to update the labels array with the past command line arguments. By employing the args flag and referencing $args.positional, we seamlessly incorporate the arguments into the JSON structure. This approach streamlines the process and ensures the correct formatting of the key value pairs. Expanding on the initial solution, the second script showcases an even more concise method. Here, we rely solely on JQ to both generate the initial JSON document and populate the labels array with the command line arguments. By combining the document creation and array update in a single JQ call, we achieve a streamlined and efficient solution to the problem at hand. To wrap it all up, we've explored how to enhance a JSON string by adding key value pairs from command line arguments using JQ. By following the outlined scripts, you can effortlessly accomplish this task without any hassle. So, why not give it a try and streamline your JSON manipulation process? Remember to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below. Who knows, you might just become a JSON whiz in no time.